Hi, my name is Heather Odessa, and I'm a makeup artist and owner of Makeup by Heather A. I'm here today at Plush Salon in White Plains, New York to show you how to use makeup remover swabs. At your local drugstore, they have these great makeup remover swabs. They already have makeup remover in them, and they're little Q-tips. So what you have to do is you crack open one side, and you let the product drain to the other side. And now you have a makeup remover swab without any other product. And sometimes when you're doing your makeup, you're like fully finished and you're doing your last step and you get a little smudge and you're like, oh, now I gotta do it all over again. You don't have to do it all over again. So here on Christine, we've got a little extra mascara on the bottom. Now we don't wanna go out like that. So we use the little swabs and we clean it right up. You can just brush back and forth right where you need to clean. And this was a waterproof mascara, so these work great. Clean it all up and voila, clean. The last step you'd want to do, if it was a product on your skin, is just go over with the powder that you were using just to freshen it up. So just look up. You don't want to have any spots showing that you clean that area. And that's it. Thank you. My name is Heather Odessa, and that's how you use makeup remover swabs.